Okay. In order to upload your own commands to this system, I need to know where you are amongst the thousands of users currently logged in. The way we do that is for you to simply open your skill and say 1002. This is a command for me to generate a new code for you. This should also work regardless of which language you currently use. Put your cursor into the update code box. Open your skill and say 1002. The code will then be spoken out for you to type. Alexa, listen up.
Welcome to the speech configurator.
1002.
6 5 9 9 5 7 7 6 1 3 3 8 1 8 2 9.
Then just click the button on the end of the edit box. If you say 1003, I will repeat the existing code, but if you say 1002 again, I will generate a brand new code and the old one will no longer work. We will cover the user key later. So for now just ignore it. Okay. Let's get straight down to some uploads. The first thing we'll do is to change the welcome message to something a bit more personal. Leave all of the drop-down lists at their default settings and scroll to the response text box. Type in the words that you would like to hear when you open your skill. I'm going to put, "Hi Jez." You can use your own language when you do this. Now in the attached phrases box simply type 1001. This is hard-coded into the system to tell it to change the welcome message. Click Upload at the bottom of the page. Parts of the screen will change to green showing that the commands have been sent. Then open your skill. Alexa, listen up.
Hi Jez.
You then only have a few seconds to give a command. If you wait too long, Alexa will time out and you will need to reopen your skill. This is called conversation mode. Provided you keep asking your skill something, means that the skill will stay open and you don't even need to use the wake word. Just speak out any number of commands, one after the other. Okay. Let's load up a number of commands. Type into the attached phrases box what you want Alexa to listen for and then type into the responses box what Alexa should announce. Then simply hit the upload button. So here's an example. I'm at work and I'm entering a list of jobs I want my kids to do when they get home from school. They know they have to ask Alexa for a list of jobs, and this is how easy it is to set up, even remotely from your mobile phone. Okay, I want Alexa to listen for, "What are my jobs?" Now I just list the jobs. Tidy your room. There's a parcel been delivered to the neighbors. Please pick it up. Change of dinner tonight. Can you put the oven on 180 at 6 p.m. and get the joint out of the freezer? Now just hit the upload button and we're done. Let's give it a try. Alexa, listen up.
Hi Jez.
What are my jobs?
Tidy your room. There's a parcel been delivered to the neighbors. Please pick it up. Change of dinner tonight. Can you put the oven on 180 at 6 p.m. and get the joint out of the freezer?
Well, that welcome message is not ideal. It will be my kids Justin or Emma asking the question, not me. Let's send a different response to each of their rooms and a different list of jobs. Go to each of your Alexa devices and open your skill from there. Come back to the Uploads page and refresh it. Your devices will appear in the device list as numbers. Click on each number and give it a more meaningful name, like living room, Justin's room, or Emma's room. So I'm now going to create a list of jobs for Justin and assign them to his own room. I simply select his room and type up a list of jobs for Justin to do when he gets home, then a separate list assigned to Emma's room. We can also set a totally separate welcome message for each of them. Let's try this one for Justin. And then just click upload.
Alexa, listen up.
Hi Batman. What's up, dude?
What are my jobs?
Tidy your room. There's a parcel bin delivered to the neighbors. Please pick it up. Change of dinner tonight. Can you put the oven on 180 at 6 p.m. and get the joint out of the freezer?
Scrolling down the page, you will see a checkbox named Exit Skill after announcement. If this is checked, Alexa will immediately exit your skill after announcing your response words. Not checking it means that Alexa will wait for another command, but she'll only wait for a few seconds before giving you a reminder prompt. You can type in the words for a reminder prompt in the response timeout prompt box. So let's say that you want to upload all of your favorite 80s tracks and you want to call up any track by artist name, part artist name, song title, or just by some form of grouping like my favorites. Let's say that we upload a Whitney Houston track. We type in the artist and title into the same phrase. That's a lot of words to try and get exactly right in order to trigger the command. Looking at the drop-down list, the first selection is what Alexa hears must match. This means exactly that. Whatever you say must exactly match the phrase word for word in order to trigger the response. But the next one down, phrase must be within what Alexa hears, means that the phrase can be anywhere within what Alexa hears, so if you use too many words it could still trigger the response. These are not ideal for what we want. But looking at the last selection, what Alexa hears must be within phrase is perfect, because we could ask for a single word like just saying Whitney and it would trigger, or just say always love you, and it would match and could then also trigger a video to start playing on any device with a browser. What if other responses have identical phrases or identical words within them? So here I've set up some video jokes. You use exactly the same phrase to launch each of them in turn, even if your commands are several days apart. It will still take the next one and launch it. When they've all been launched, it will go back to the first one again. You could write the actual joke into the response and Alexa will announce it. In this case we've used a different code for each joke in the auxiliary code box. This code will be sent to a browser on another device or to the PC app to launch a predefined video clip of the joke. So now it's time for the user key at the top of the page. This will become your own personal code that activates your PC or allows browsers on different devices to be controlled by your skill shell. You can change it whenever you want or simply remove it. Just invent a code around 20 characters long. Only use A to Z characters in upper or lower case. You can also use numbers from 0 to 9. Do not use brackets, slashes or punctuation marks, as this will stop it from working. Click upload to save it to your skill shell. You can use the same user key for any number of your skill shells that you build. If your phrases simply don't work, then provided you have your user key set up, you can click the Alexa Heard button at the bottom of the screen and it will show you exactly what Alexa heard. In the next video I will show you how you can upload thousands of commands instantly. You could even create your own expert command sheets and sell them for others to upload. Here's an example. We've got over 1000 80s music video links that we want to upload and use in our jukebox. Copy it. Paste it. Upload it. We click on the blog page and load the jukebox post. We can drop in our user key so that it knows which skill to listen for. We open our skill and it's ready to send tracks directly to a browser window on any device. Watch. Alexa, listen up.
Sweet dreams.
Okay.
I'm so excited.
Okay.
When doves cry.
Okay.
Call me.
Okay.
Madonna.
Sorry. I don't appear to have a response for. I don't know.
Madonna.
Okay.
Madonna.
Okay.
Madonna.
Okay.
Walk like an Egyptian.
Okay.
Living in America.
Okay.
It's my life.
Okay.
Venus.
Okay.
Pump up the jam.
Okay.
Play track.
Okay.
Next 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 track.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna do one more. Yeah.
Next track.
Next track.
Okay.
Next track.
Okay.
Next track.
Okay.
Next track.
Okay.
Stop track. Stop track.
Okay.